All right, guys, this is Steven Smith with MarineMax here in Houston, coming to you with a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. We're excited about some small changes they made this year on this boat. Of course, at the bow of the boat, you have your lounging area. You've got some storage built in under both of these seats. We've optioned this boat with the espresso interior color, the darker color. The new Fusion Signature Series speakers are standard this year. Really excited about the upgraded audio packages and stuff that Sea Ray's been doing. As you come back here, really important feature on the 21 SPX is this large storage compartment that's all carpeted and finished out. Perfect for life jackets, safety equipment, other things like that. And of course, another great feature on the SPX is the glove box up here. Perfect for phones, wallets, keys, things like that. It does have a drain in it just in case it takes on water. And now this year it's got upholstery on it instead of just being plastic. At the helm, the dash has changed a little bit. It's a really nice, more aggressive, sleek-looking dash. We've got the SIMRAD option on this boat with a touchscreen display, chart plotter, navigation, fish finder. Of course, the brand new Fusion head unit, which is a touchscreen unit for this year. Really excited about all the features on this boat. New style steering wheel, and of course, double bolstered seats. So you can flip that bolster down and sit low and comfortable, or sit up when you're pulling a wakeboard or tube, something from the water sports tower that we've also put on this boat. This is a full load-bearing tower that can pull a wakeboard, tube, skier, etc. Anything you want to do behind the boat, there's a tow point right here with access to be able to pull there. Moving back, we've got this large ski locker in the floor that's perfect for wakeboards, skis, extra life jackets, things like that. Of course, Sea Ray put the igloo cooler here that you can use for drinks and snacks. And there's another cooler that's built into this boat, which is an insulated cooler section back here with a drain that drains into the bilge. Storage under every seat, which is infamous for the Sea Ray. They utilize every section of space. Storage under this seat here, storage under this seat as well, and they've even used this compartment where you walk through to provide even more storage as well. Battery switches under your walk-through, very easily accessible. And we're excited to talk about the motor, which we've put the upgraded 250 horsepower motor in this boat. That's a 4.5 liter Mercruiser and a really well finished out storage compartment next to the engine as well. Another feature unique to the 21 SPX compared to the 19 is that this boat has the flip up backrest for lounging at the back of the boat. As you move to the back of the boat, you'll notice we put the sea deck on the swim platform back there. Really just a great area to hang out, come in and out of the water, and enjoy the time with the family and being on the lake. Thank you guys for coming to look at our 21 SPX here at MarineMax in Houston. Come see us today. My name's Steven Smith.